Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get or how to replace a Hyundai key fob battery. This is a very common one used for different years, different models, Elantra, Sorento, Genesis and more. Anyway, the battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. And let's do it. What we will need is a flathead and a new battery. So first we have to take the emergency key out. We do that by pushing this button right here and we take the key. Now as you can see, there is a slot right here, okay? This one, the top one. So what I do, I take the flathead, make sure it's big enough, and I turn clockwise, okay? And then it opens once again. No need to apply a lot of pressure, just to put it here and to turn clockwise. And it opens. Now I open the side and here we have the battery. No need to touch that, the chip. This is the chip right here. So now I take the battery out with the flathead. As I said, this is a CR2032. Okay, this is a good battery, so I will use it. I put it back in and I close the remote, emergency key back, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Just make sure that you use a flathead which is big enough, because a small one you may have problem to open the key fob. That's it. Let us know what you're saying. Thank you.